Way back in the hills of West Virginia, beautiful, beautiful piece of property. It's nestled around several large tracts. There's a big tract there to your left, 330 acres, I think. And across the road, that old boy there has like 220 acres. This is a very remote area. The old boy who owns it, he says there's about 5 cars a day, or 5 cars a week that travels up and down that road there. And it is a state maintained road. It's a gravel road. Seems to be a pretty good road. Of course, you know, this is a tiny house living, rustic cabin. The old boy has everything he needs there. There's a drilled water well. He's got septic. He's got indoor plumbing. Got a small bedroom there. Still needs a few little things to it, you know, but it's livable. He's been living there for several years now. Got a great chicken house. If you like eggs, the price of eggs has been so high here lately. This will cut down on your egg prices and just raise you some good chicken meat too. He's got a nice run for him that he can keep him in, or in the house he's got the place for nesting. He has a bunch of outbuildings with this property, and there are lots of rooms for garden and doing everything to be a lot more self-reliant. Has a nice small pond. There's a stream there that goes through his pasture. He has electricity run out to his barn. The barn's pretty new. It is one stall, and then it has a little tack room, feed room there beside, or as part of it. Lots of woods, lots of place there for a pasture if you want to have, you know, a couple cows or a couple horses or whatever. He had a horse in there, so he just has horse fence. So if you wanted to have a cow, you'd have to do some fencing. The stream goes through the pasture, which is important, of course. If you want to do a little farming in the woods, you can. You got some nice spots there you can do some mushrooms. The large building there before us, it is a metal building. I believe it is 24 by 36. I believe he was thinking it was. We didn't sit there and measure it, but that's about what size it is. It includes that shipping container. That's a 20-foot shipping container. So anyway, if you like this piece of property, you definitely need to give us a call quickly, because it will not last very long. It'll be gone. My number is 304-377-3758, and I'm David M. Greenlee, the broker for Old Fences Realty.